Hi, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to install WordPress for your website designs and customizations without having to pay for a domain and hosting. That means you'll be getting a free hosting and free domain for installing WordPress that you can use to create and customize your website. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video. So miss out on any part of this information that I'm about to pass across to you in this very video. So without further ado and much of the talking, let's dive into my laptop screen and get it done. The very first thing you have to do is to access infinityfree.com website. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description section of this very video. Click on that link and it's going to bring you to this website, infinityfree.com. And this is the website where I'll be getting the free hosting and domain for the WordPress installation. So to create your account, you just need to fill in your name, your email, then create a password and then confirm your password. I'm just going to log into my already created account and click on login. Now you can see I've successfully logged into my dashboard and I already have one free domain hosting for my WordPress installation right here. And you can have up to 3 free hosting for WordPress installation on this very platform. So I already have one and I'm going to be walking you through the processes of creating um, your free hosting for the installation of your WordPress. So now when you are here on this interface, you are not going to have this very first one. I already have a free hosting, like I said. That's why I have this very one here. So I've used one out of the 3 I have already, but I want to add another one. So to do that, you just have to come here to click on create account. Just close this ad. And here, when it brings up this interface, don't be afraid because you're not going to be paying for the hosting. You can see right here, we have a free hosting right here. That's infinity free. It's for forever hosting. It's free. And here you can see. So this one has starter premium, but we're not going with all of this for the sake of this tutorial. So you just have to come to this one where we have free and then click on create now. And when it brings you to this interface, you just have to come and click on verify you are a human, and you just have to wait for it to load. I can see the verification process has been completed. Now this is the section where you have to come and choose the domain name for your website. But note that for the fact that you'll be using a free hosting, you for the fact that you want to get the domain name and hosting for free, you'll be getting a domain extension. For instance, if my domain name was to be kitchencartel.com, I'll be getting kitchenct.ws. That's the extension. All right. So this is not a very big problem anyways. You can just get this to get your website running. Maybe later on you can later get a custom domain name for your website. So what I will have to do right here is to come and impute the domain name I would love to use for my website. And here I'll be using kitchen cartel. And then I'll just have to come and check if this domain name is available. Click on the check availability to check if the domain name is available. So clicking on check availability will bring us to this interface where you just have to come. When you scroll down, you can see this is where we have website for kitchencartel.infy.uk. So this is my domain name and this is the extension I talked about. But if I want to get a .com extension for this, maybe in the future I can later get this, and I'll make a video about how to get a custom domain name for your website in the future as well. So please do it to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out when I upload videos like that. So when you scroll down, you are going to see where we have account password here. So you just have to come and change this password to a password that you can always remember. So I'm just going to delete this password here to add my personal password. After you've added your password, you just have to scroll down and here you can see email consent. you just have to come and click on select and you click on I approve. So you come down and click on create account. You've added your password, you just have to wait for it to load, and you can see it is loading. So once it has created your account and brings you to this section, you can see right here, this is the website for kitchencartel.infy.uk. So if I scroll down, you can see here I have my control panel, you can see I have all of this, and here this is my domain name, which is kitchencartel.infy.uk, right? So I can choose to manage this account now, or I can either go to control panel. So I'm just going to head on to control panel so I can install WordPress to my newly created website. I believe you are getting lots of value from this video already. If you are, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and then when you click on it, it's going to bring us to this section. Just scroll down, ignore all of this information, and then click on I approve. So we are just going to wait for the panel to load. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends, right? So right here you can see it has brought us to cPanel, where we can access WordPress, where we can access and install WordPress for our website customization. So if I scroll down, you can see right here, you can see we have edit website, but we are not going to be using this option because we actually need to install WordPress to our website. So if I scroll down, so I'm just looking for software clause. Yes, that is it. Software clause app installer. So this is it. You just have to scroll down like I did. Yeah, and then click on it. Software clause app installer. And here you can see we have WordPress right here. So what I just have to do right now is to come and click on install to install WordPress. And here you can see I have my domain name right here. This is my domain name, and if I scroll down, this is my website name. So I'm just going to come here to set my admin username and admin password. Please, this is very important, and make sure you always remember this. This is the information you'll be using to access your WordPress dashboard whenever you want to customize or do anything from the back end of your account. So you also have to come here to input your username and your password. Like I said, it should be something that you can always remember. So I'm just going to come here to use my username here, fishing cartel, then the password. So I've successfully inputted my details, and then I will scroll down and click on install. And you can see it's already installing. So you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So right now it means I've installed WordPress to this newly created account without purchasing a domain and hosting. So I'm doing all of this for free, and you can see how I was able to do this. So I just have to come to access my WordPress dashboard here by clicking on this administrative URL. I'll click on it. Guys, we've been able to access our WordPress dashboard, right? To come and click on my blog right here, you can see it just brought out my newly created website. So this is my website name right here, and I've created, and you can see right here I just created a website without purchasing a domain and hosting. Do well to click on that like button if this video was really helpful to you, and don't forget, in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to customize your website using WordPress. Now you've installed WordPress, so the next step is to know how to customize your website. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out when I upload that video. And in case you have any question or you have any comments relating to this very video, please do well to leave it in the comment section below. And I'm always open to answer your questions and reply to your comments. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video. Stay safe.